so both pieces are attached. So the first thing that you need to do is go up. So, God, why am I so scared? Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, then we're about to try some foolery. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you know when I post videos. I do lots of hair tutorials like I'm about to try now. We do lots of easy makeup application. I do Amazon reviews, just a little bit of everything. So if you guys like that kind of video, then you are in the right place. Let's go ahead and get started on oh gosh, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm sort of scared, but we're gonna go ahead and try anyway. So I have seen this little device advertised, of course, all over like Instagram, Facebook, and I've seen a few YouTubers do reviews on it, but they had a lot of hair, a lot more hair than I have. So I figured I'd go ahead and try it. Now that I have a little bit of length on the side, I have a lot of length on the top, I figured let's go ahead and try it. So I am a little nervous. But I mean, that's how it always starts out, doesn't it? And so this is this little twist secret type deal. I got this one on Amazon, super affordable. Basically, I'm not going to be trying all these crazy things down here. What we're going to try to do is use this for a twist out. So let me open this up because I have not even opened it to look at it. So this is what it looks like when you pull it out. Of course, if this works out and doesn't rip my hair out, then I will link it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is just a little tool that you basically clip your hair in, but I don't even know how to use it. Pieces up, stick your hair in there, and then it just sort of twists your hair on its own. I don't know how well I'll be able to do the sides. My sides are longer, but I don't know if they're long enough, but we definitely can try this out on the top. So this is what it does. You put the hair in and it just twists the hair individually, and then it also twists the hair together. And that is the key in keeping twists together, is that the hair individually is twisted and then they're twisted together. Okay, so this takes 2 AA batteries. There are 2 different settings, I guess, on the little handle. Let's go ahead and see what you're supposed to do. The first thing you're supposed to do is push the button up. So that is twisting both strands by themselves individually. Then you want to push it down to the number 2 setting, and that's supposed to wrap them together. Okay, pause. That machine set me up for failure. The directions were backwards. Do not come for me. I read the instructions. You are supposed to go down first, then up. Okay? Why is this thing so fucking scary to me? Yeah. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go wash my hair because it is a dirty, hot mess. I'm gonna make sure that it's semi-dry. My hair, I've done Bantu knots and things before in the past, and my hair has to be almost dry for any of that type of a style to work. It's wet. For one, it takes 29 million years to dry. And for 2, I don't know, it just, my own curl pattern just sort of messes it up. I do have a video on what I do when I wash my hair, the products that I use, so I'll link that up there. And you guys can check out what I'm going to be using. And then I think for styling purposes, just to sort of help those twists hold, I'm going to go ahead and use this Oars olive oil wrap mousse. Never used this before. Just picked this up the other day to see if it will work with twists. I will see you guys back when my hair is washed and somewhat dry. So we'll go from there. Pray for me. Okay, everybody, so my hair is mostly dry. I think we're gonna go ahead and start with some of these longer sections in the front just because they're easier to grip. So let me go ahead and just section off the rest of my hair so that's out of the way. Okay, so I think this is plenty of hair to work with in the front. Of course, there's not, well, there's instructions in here, but let's see exactly what it says because some of these are super vague in regards to what you need to do. Just talking about the damn batteries. It's not really giving any information. Basically, you're just going to section out 2 pieces of hair and then you're going to attach them to these little things here and then twist accordingly. I guess if I need to, you know, put like a rubber band or something on the end, I do have some tiny little clear rubber bands. I hope you guys can see those. Let me go ahead and put some of the mousse in the front in the sections that I'm going to work in. And I'm going to use a good amount because I want this shit to hold. So we're going to go ahead and put a good amount of mousse in. That up there. Okay, so I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay, let me go ahead and just section out a little piece of hair here in the front. I guess maybe that size. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with this little piece of hair here that has a good amount of mousse on it. Break this in half. And now I just need to see how I'm supposed to attach this to this machine. It's not very easy to lift up, and my hands are wet now too. These parts are not super easy to lift up. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. Oh, never mind. There's a little section here that you lift up. That makes it a lot easier. Duh. Okay, so one piece is attached. God, I hope I don't rip my hair out. Another piece is attached. Let me go ahead and pull it down just a little bit so that it's at the end. Pieces are attached. So the first thing that you need to do is go up. So, God, why am I so scared? Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's try that again. I think I pushed the wrong buttons. Let's try that again. Okay, so the first one you need to go up. It says go up, but it was twisting my hair together. Shit. This definitely is going to take some practice. But I feel like once you get it, it should be pretty quick. Okay, that there. Let's go ahead and this other one in here. Why this is so crazy. Okay, so pieces are attached. Now it says to the one up and then down. So, okay, let's see, make sure that they don't get like stuck on each other. Okay, so that twists them together. Let's see what it does. Okay, something's going on. Let's try going down first and then going up. Because going up first is twisting the pieces together. So they lying. Let's try going down first. Okay, so going down is what you need to do first on this one. I don't know if it's labeled wrong. So, okay, so that works. So now we're going to go up and twist them together. My hands are sticky. All right, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just release because that's pretty tight. What? Okay, so they definitely did not stay together. Let's go ahead and help it. You see my little hair sticking out like that is going to be a mess. Okay, so that is the twist it gave me. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but that's the first one. Let's go ahead and try another section. I don't know if I'm going to do my whole head. This is going to take forever, and I don't know. We may just do a front part of my hair. I feel like this is going to take all day, and I ain't got time for that. Maybe I should do bigger sections. Let me do a bigger section. I got a bigger section this time. This is probably double the amount of the size that this one was. Okay, so got a bigger section, so now I'm going to go ahead and go down first to twist the individual sides. Maybe I'll twist those a little more. Okay, and now I'm going to go up to twist them together. Okay. This is a fail, guys. I feel like my hair is just not like holding the twist. I mean, that's a nice twist, but I gotta go back and twist it myself. Like I could just do that without fucking with this machine. So that one looked a little better that it's bigger. Let's go ahead and take this one out and just try a bigger section. Maybe my sections are just not big enough. Maybe my hair is not thick enough. So we got her on. Let's go ahead and push the button down. Twist those up individually. And then let's push it up. Where my fingers are so slippery right now. Twist it together.
Oh my God!
I see what the problem is. My hair keeps coming undone. My hair keeps coming undone from these things. So let's go ahead and try to grip that better again. This is really going to take some practice, guys, if you guys decide to try this. And this is taking forever. Okay. Let's go ahead and go down again. Twist those together. And let's go up to twist it into one. Okay, and it came undone again. So I guess maybe if your hair texture is thicker, it might work better for you guys. And definitely taking bigger sections seems to be working better. But I've been fighting with this thing for a good while now, just for 2 twists. I mean, I ain't trying to do all that. Yeah. If you guys have used this, let me know in the comments below. If you guys have used it successfully, comment below and let me know how you guys liked it. For me, I could have twisted up the whole top of my head from the time it took me to get these 2 ugly ass twists. I mean, my hair is not even holding them. Now I do like that it twists the hair, how it twists the hair individually. So maybe using that function and then twisting your hair. These pieces are twisted pretty well. So maybe using it just to twist these. I don't know, guys. This is too much involvement for me. Y'all know that I'm hella lazy when it comes to this stuff. But that is it. I'm going to go ahead and give up on this. I ain't got time for this today. I have other things that I need to do. And I'm not trying to do this all day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to comment below, like I said, if you've used this before or something similar. And if you're wanting to try this yourself, I mean, it's not very expensive. It might work better on your hair. If your hair is longer and more thick than mine is, then feel free to check it out. I will link this in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.